Just at the range in Eccles, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Well, the range have a massive tin filled with Hot Wheels, and at £1.99, it's not the best price, but it could be worse, couldn't it? £2 per Hot Wheels. I know this isn't the ticket for Hot Wheels, but I moved this tin because it was where the queue is, and I've literally just carried this box all the way up the aisle so I don't have to be hunting in the middle of a queue. Anyway, we're gonna go through this whole tin and see what they've got in here. First up, we've got the 2019 Audi R8 Spider from that drop top set of 2026. A set filled with convertible castings, and you can see the roof is down on this one. And we've got some great detailing on the front and the back of this thing. It even says R8 Spider on the license plate, but I do have this one already, so I'll leave this one here. Next up, we've got, it's the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2 from that Compact King set of 2026. I'm a massive fan of JDM castings and compact cars as well, so this ticks all the boxes for me. I think it looks awesome with that red interior. It's got such a cool retro livery. It's got Turbo 2 written on the side and on the bonnet as well. Now, I don't know what's going on with the back seats in this thing, but when I've looked up the Honda City Turbos, they've usually got that motor compo scooter in the back. So I wonder if that's a nod to that or something. I'll have to have a look into that, or let me know, guys, if you know. We do have an open window as well for when you're driving by with your Beats blasting. Really do like this casting, have been looking for this one, so yeah, I'll definitely be taking that. Let's keep going. We've got a Verstrike, which is a brand new fantasy casting for 2026 from the Hot Wheels mod set. 5 modified cars. I don't know if this is based on anything, but it's definitely a fantasy casting, isn't it? Pretty cool looking though, not for me, so I'll leave that to one side. What else have we got? We've got the, it's the custom 72 Chevy LUV, which is a very funky 70s pickup truck with a blown out engine coming through the bonnet there. And no wonder it's from that Drag Racers set of 2026. I'm definitely collecting that whole set, so yeah, I'll be taking this one. Let's keep looking. This eggshell racer is probably the least desirable casting of that Drag Racers set. I know I've seen a lot of people leaving these behind. It's literally a spoon with a cracked egg riding on top of it. I'm not always that bothered about completing full sets, but for the Drag Racer one, I do want to get them all. So yeah, I'll be taking this one. Let's keep looking. Oh, we got another one. Well, this is an awesome looking Corvette C7 Z06, and it's in a wicked looking color. Look at that pink, guys. That looks great, doesn't it? This is from that Nightspeed set of 2026, and that set's full of street racing cars. That's what this is supposed to be, a Corvette C7 all done up for the street. It does look pretty good, doesn't it, guys? I've got to admit. And does it say Pro Charger on the side there? I do like the fact that we get the badge and the headlights on the front, even though it's got loads of detail everywhere else. And the black wheels set it up as well. Great looking car, and I am collecting that full Nightspeed set, so I'll definitely be taking this. Let's see what else we've got. We've got a new Instant Boost, which is the coffee cup, but it's a transparent variant where you can see like kind of a bronzy coffee color underneath. Cool little fantasy from that Hot Wheels starting grid set. And I do usually like collecting the full starting grid set, but I'm not too bothered about this one, to be honest. And I have seen it a few times before, so I'm definitely not going to miss out and not see it again. So I'm going to leave this here. What else have we got? We've also got the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat, which is another one from that Nightspeed set. And growing up, I always wanted one of the old Dodge Hellcats. I think it was on Top Gear where they showed it, and you could pay like $1 more than the car's worth to get a full racing pack. was it wheels and remove the passenger seat? I can't remember, but yeah, always been a dream to drag race a Hellcat, and this one looks great, doesn't it? Very cool casting. I'm definitely taking that. So let's keep going. One that could have been a super treasure hunt, it's the Drift Ender, but this one isn't. No Spectraflame paint, no TH logo stamped on it, no rubber tyres, and no golden stamp on the back of the card. This one's from the Trucking Along set of 2026. Cool car, but we see them all the time, so we'll leave this here. Let's keep looking. Very cool Datsun 240Z from the then and now set of 2026, which is filled with a load of old versions and new versions of cars. But something to note on this one is there's a couple of other castings that have the exact same colour and livery on them. There's that Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, and I think the others are 2023 Nissan Z. So yeah, it's kind of like a little side mini collection that you can get with all the same livery. But I do have this one already, so I'll leave this here. Let's keep looking. Very cool new colour variant of the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. This is from that Exotic Cars set of 2026. And I've got to say, all of these Huayra Roadsters, if I'm saying it right anyway, always have really awesome metallic paint that just looks fantastic. I have a white version of this, and it's almost pearlescent. But yeah, this green looks great, and it is a wicked casting, isn't it? I might pop this to one side. Let's keep looking. Oh, no way, I've been looking for this one. It's the 1998 Honda Prelude from that factory fresh set of 2026. Like I've said before, I'm a massive fan of JDM cars, and the Prelude's just one of those JDM legends, isn't it? I think the wheels on this work really well, and that back end has a load of detail on it. They've just brought out a new Honda Prelude, and I can't remember if it's a hybrid or electric, but it does look really good, to be honest. I don't know. I don't think you can beat the classic, can you? I'm definitely going to be taking this one. What else have we got? Oh, we've got the 1966 Batboat, which is the second variant in black. This is from that Batman set, and although I do like my superhero stuff, I like my nostalgic stuff, I'm not really picking up too many Batmobiles and stuff like that, but this one is really, really wicked, isn't it? It'd be great if you had Batman and Robin on the inside of it there, but you do get a couple of stamps on the top here, like the DC logo and the Batman Classic TV series stamped on the top there as well. Really wicked, and I know a lot of people are collecting the Batman stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna leave this here for someone else. Let's keep going. This is the second variant of the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and I did see it. Oh, knocked my head off on the pegs here. I did see that we've got the first variant as well. There's just something about that dark British racing green, guys, and especially in metallic with gold wheels. It looks fantastic. It's another one from the Nightspeed set. And although I do have the white version already, this green one looks great, doesn't it? I'm definitely taking it. Let's pop it down there. Let's keep looking. Right, well, we're right at the end of the box now, and there's only a few cars left. We've got the brand new Fantasy Bulletproof from the X-Racers set. It's never really been a set that I've been interested in, but my son absolutely loves cars like this, where they're just big, fast, and they're all see-through as well, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not collecting them, but sometimes I do pick them up for my son. What else have we got left here, guys? We've got another Instant Boost. We had a load of them. We've got an Extreme. We've got the Diora Tuned, which I didn't mention before. We did see one before, but this is a brand new casting for 2026, and it's from that tuned set of 2026 as well. I do love my tuned cars, but I enjoy them a lot more when they're licensed, like the Porsche or the Skyline. This one's pretty funky too, but not one that I'm after. And you see them Dioras everywhere, don't you guys? What have we got left? We've got the 70 Chevelle SS wagon from the Wagon Families set. Not really one I'm too fussed about collecting that set, so I'll leave this here. We've got that Chevy LUV again. And last three, we've got the Toronado, the Dodge Dart, and last but not least, another what has become a bit of a peg warmer, the Pagani Zonda Cinque. And did you see all that on eBay where people were selling these things or trying to sell these things for like £100 plus? It was a big ploy from all the collectors apparently that wanted to make scalpers think that these were worth something, so they started buying and selling them at ridiculous prices from the mates. I don't know how true that is, but it has become a massive peg warmer, this, so maybe the scalpers got scammed, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it here anyway. Right, well, I'm gonna tidy everything up and let's have a see what we found. Well, we found some absolutely awesome castings here in the range. Is there anything I left behind that you guys would have taken? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.